Okay, I'm going to show you how to record an activity or record a test and then add it to your students' journals. So first off, you go to activities, and I found these activities on the pre-K side. You can either make your own activities or find one for first grade for sight words or whatever you're working on. And let me show. So I put these activities in there. I put share activities and I put all my students. So on this color activity, as you can see, 17 kids have taken the color test and 4 have not. So I'm going to show you how we do that. So you hit add student response. So you click there on your activity. Okay. Then for me, I was using the draw tool and I put a check mark if they got it right, or I left it blank if they didn't, so the parents could see what color they were saying and if they got it right. So first you hit draw. Okay. Then this was a little bit different than my iPad. So I'm going to hit, okay. I'm going to actually change the color there. On the iPad, and maybe you have to do this on the iPad. I did this on the computer. Anyways, on the iPad, it has a record button right here. You hit record, and then you can draw and record your students' answers. So I'm going to show you how, after you push record, you just get started. Okay, so come here. I have a helper here today. Okay, what color is this?
Brown.
What color is this?
Red.
What color? How about this one?
Purple.
What color is this?
Blue.
Okay, what color is that one?
Black.
Okay, what color is that?
Yellow.
All right, how about this one?
Orange.
And this one?
Green.
Okay, good job. All right, so after you get done with the test, you can either hit stop record and it'll stop recording, or you can hit this green button right here. And then after that, you hit the green button again. And then you go through and you find the student that you did the test on. And I did it on Micah today. And you hit the green button again. And then it will load into her journal. And you can see there's Micah and there's her journal. I hope that helps. If I need to record one for the iPad, I can. Also, you can let me know if you need to know how to find activities or to share them to your students. Thanks.